What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to talk about something that is very expensive from the dealer, but yet even with the high price it's worth basically nothing on eBay. It's one of those frustrating things when you're parting out cars. You think you have a very high priced item, and then when you go and look on eBay for what they sell for, they're basically selling for nothing. So this video is going to be a nice little quick video about this part. And the part that I'm talking about is an Audi HomeLink garage door opening sensor. These sensors are mounted in the front grills of almost all the Audis from 2010 to 2020. Every single model that had the HomeLink option has this in the grill, so they're very easily hit and damaged when you run into things in the front end. So the piece is very small. This is it right here. It's just a very small little module that senses the garage door when you have it hooked up to the buttons in your car. This piece right here from Audi is about $1,200 for this little tiny module. When you have an electronic component like this, that is big dollars from the manufacturer, and you can usually sell it for a good price, especially when they're not broken or cracked or have any damage on it. The one that I have is in good shape. There's nothing wrong with it. But like I said, this is basically worth nothing. When you go on eBay and you look at what they've sold for recently, they are $25, $30, $28, $45, $45. So as you can see, they're really not worth anything, especially since this is $1,200. You would think that maybe you could sell this for half price, $3, $4, $5, maybe even $600 because there's nothing wrong with it. But there's so many of these out there and they're on so many different cars that they're basically worthless. Before I got this one, I already knew that they weren't that much money. I've had a couple of these before, but I took this one home so I could make this video for you guys. I'm not even sure if I'm going to sell this. If I sell that for $25 and then after the fees and the shipping and all that stuff, you might only end up with $15. So I'm not even sure if I'm going to sell this. I might put it up there for $50 and hope for the best, because at $50, you will make some profit. But, to go through all the trouble to sell it for $15, sometimes that's not really worth it for me. So I just wanted to make this video. Just because this is an expensive product from Audi doesn't mean it's really worth anything. The highest priced ones that are on eBay right now are $121, $99, $92, $90, and then down from there. So these people that are trying to sell, this for $100, that's a good price. $100, that'd be awesome. But they're not going to be selling it because there's 100 of them on eBay for $25, $30, even $40. So once again, it's kind of a bad deal. You would think that with the higher price, you'd be able to sell it for some good money. But like I said, they've put these modules in almost every Audi for over 10 years. So it's just something that isn't worth that much money. So that's about it for this video. Just a little quick video talking about specific parts on eBay and what you can sell and, stuff that's not really that good to sell. So thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions, let me know. I will see you next time.